Why isn't it stopping? Why isn't it stopping?
Hi, I'm Rosie.
And I'm Lauren, and today we're going to be trying the top trending beauty products from TikTok.
We've chosen some of the most hyped makeup and hair items, and we're going to be trying them here at home whilst we're in lockdown and letting you know if they are a hack or a scrap. So I'm going to be trying the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. This is all over TikTok, and apparently it's really good for blurring your skin, making it look more photogenic. My hopes are pretty high. I'm hoping it can deliver. So I'm going to do one spread. Ready? Oh. This is really giving me like teenage me vibes, where I used to use powder foundation at school.
Very reminiscent of middle school makeup that just stuck to every lump and bump on your prepubescent face.
It's blending in very nicely without. So on my nose it's definitely doing a bit of flake action, because that's probably the driest part right now. And my favourite thing about that is that literally took me a whole 15 seconds, and the coverage is pretty great. Got a bit of crease action on the eye, looks like I've just grown some extra eyelashes in.
A little porcelain doll.
So this is around £13, and for that price, seeing as you don't need a lot of it at all, and it goes very far, and it does the job, I would give this a hack for sure.
My skin product is the Dr. Jart Psychopair Tiger Grass Colour Correcting Treatment to care for sensitive skin and help reduce redness. I do have sensitive skin check. Have you actually seen Dr. Jart?
Never heard of him in my life.
He's big on Korean skincare.
Is it he or
so
is she?
I'm quite excited. Oh my god, just...
But maybe it's a woman.
Caught out red-handed. Now I'm freaking red. Time to use the product. It's a lovely green colour. Sexy. The award for the greenest girl goes to...
Oh! Oh, is it green? It's meant to counteract the red.
10 points to Gryffindor. I don't know if the undertone it's producing is going to make me look necessarily well, like at my full health of life. I look like a cartoon that they're trying to portray is about to throw up. You know how colour correcting things are a bit drying? Well, this actually is really moisturising, like my skin looks quite dewy. Definitely for a year we've focused less on makeup and more on skincare. This is a fabulous in-between. So I'm going to give the Dr. Jart colour correcting treatment a hack.
So the next thing that I'm going to be trying out is this got to be glued water resistant spiking glue for your hair. What the trend is on TikTok, you use this to apply to your brows, kind of like a fake lamination, and it's meant to hold them in place. So I'm going to try it. And it's only £3 per bottle, so if this works, it'll be good value for money. Normal brow glues are like over like £6 or £7 and they're only like this big. Oh! Turtle head. Right, how much do I use? It's white, so I'm a bit concerned. Hopefully it dries clear.
I reckon small amount and then you could build up.
I'm probably more inclined to do this every day than actually get my brows laminated, because if someone f***s it up then I'll be very, very angry. But let's see. So I'm just brushing up how I would normally do it with brow gel. Because some people like do that and then just leave it like that, but I like to kind of pull down the sides so it's only bushy in the front. Oh! That looks really good.
Congratulations, the beautiful pair.
And I feel like this will stay in place because men's hair products tend to be a lot stiffer, because obviously they want to keep it up. Men or women with short hair, and they want to keep it up. What am I doing? That's definitely very, very secure. I would not be worried about that moving all day.
She looks good, I'm a fan.
A resounding hack, because it's only £3 and I would get 250 times more product for that price.
The Maybelline Sky High mascara, which is supposed to give you lashes to the sky. If I'm being honest, I spent most of lockdown pulling mine out.
A brush is a brush and mascara is mascara. I don't know how different they can be to each other.
And it obviously starts with what you have in the first place. Right, I'm not gonna lie as well, I usually hate the first application of a new mascara. I can't really see, to be honest, because I'm long-sighted. This is a bit flimsy, like I can just bend that. Oh, but I won't lie, these are making my eyelashes look absolutely delectable.
Wow. So this is what I don't get though. Why wouldn't your other mascara do that?
Because she's old. She's been sat in the bottom of my makeup bag since March 2020. Pleased with them. But I'm going to give the Maybelline Sky High mascara with my stunning doe-eyed lashes a hack Well done.
This is a Ionic Air Styler, not to be confused with hair styler. The one that has gone viral on TikTok is actually a Revlon one, but I don't think they sell that here in the UK. So we're gonna go with this one, but it's the same brush and the same technique. It's meant to give you like an easy blow dry kind of effect, but with air rather than with like direct heat. She takes it from the top like this and then flips it over, and then she kind of pulls down and does this. Mine doesn't look anything like hers does. Hers looks really good.
Maybe it's the texture of your hair. It's just too wiry and your hair's too silky soft.
I think I need a few more layers in my hair. I guess we do have a bit of flick action. I don't know how much volume it's giving me at the top. Actually, I do know, and it's not a lot. Probably the best one so far. Look at that flick. Oh, yeah, see, the more hair I'm doing, the more it's all starting to come a bit together. It's not a massive difference, but it definitely is way more volumized than normal than if I was to just straighten it. It's giving me like Austin Powers vibes. For 30 quid, I think this is probably actually worth it, especially if you like this kind of like vintage blow dry style and you find it kind of difficult to achieve. If you had shorter hair with like more layers, and if your hair was a little bit thinner, I think this would work amazingly. I would probably use this again, you know, so I'm gonna give this a hack actually.
The product that I'm going to be trying for my hair is a cordless hair curler. It's very futuristic, not very 2020, 2021. I don't know why I need to go anywhere but my home, which I've been advised to stay by the government. Very reminiscent of the Dyson.
I'd be scared of that, to be honest.
I need a buddy to spot me.
Oh, I can't be there to spot you, I'm afraid, little old sir.
I mean, if you want to meet up for a socially distanced cordless hair curler activity in the park, I can. Why isn't it stopping? Why isn't it stopping?
What in the
Are you
heck?
joking me? It's not even so scary, Rosie. It's so much fun. Ready?
And best part of all, wireless.
Glastonbury, give me a minute. Even though I've not washed my body or changed my clothes, I will do a whole head of curls.
She's a barrister.
Ready to provide the law to the people. For the concept and for making me look like Elizabeth Swann's dad from Pirates of the Caribbean, I will give it a hack. I don't know if I necessarily like the curls produced, but I'd be really pleased with it. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to share this video with your friends.
And let us know in the comments below if you've tried any of these products before and what you think of them. And also let us know what you want to see from us next. Bye.